Good day everyone and welcome to my video presentation of our Arduino lab activity number 8 entitled Interfacing Arduino to Servo Motor. In this activity, we will accomplish the following objectives. The first one is learn how to control RC servo motors using an Arduino, simulate the setup using Proteus, and finally, test it on a real breadboard. The task is to create a program that will sweep the shaft of two RC servo motors back and forth across 180 degrees. One motor is connected to PWM digital pin 9 and the other one is connected to PWM digital pin 10. So let's understand what that means. A sweep means that servo rotates from 0 to 180 degrees and then back to 0 repeatedly. And this needs to happen on both motors at the same time. Now, let's go over the code that will accomplish this. For this task, we use a servo library that makes it easy to control servo motors using Arduino. In the setup function, we attach each servo to its respective PWM pin, then in the loop, we sweep both servos forward from 0 to 180 degrees and then backward from 180 to 0 degrees. The delay of 15 helps smooth out the rotation. Before jumping to the real hardware, let's simulate our circuit in Proteus. Here's our setup. First, we need to place two servo motors, then connect them to specific digital pins, one servo motor to digital pin 9 and the other to digital pin 10. After that, connect both positive terminals of the servo motors to the power supply and the negative terminals to the ground. After completing the circuit, let's upload the code into the Arduino in Proteus. Just follow the video. Then after that, let's play our simulation setup to see if it is working. Observe that servo motors sweeping together. This ensures our logic is working before using real components. Now that our simulation is successful, we move on to the physical setup. So here are the materials needed. Using jumper wires, we connect the servo motor's signal pins to digital pins 9 and 10, which is the orange one. Then the red wires go to 5 volts and black or brown wires go to the ground. Now let's upload the code. As you can see, both servo motors are sweeping from 0 to 180 degrees and back just as we planned. In this lab activity, we successfully interfaced two RC servo motors with Arduino, controlled them through code using the servo library, tested our program in Proteus, and verified it on the actual hardware. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next lab activity.